All right, example 4. We're going to solve 3 raised to the 2x minus 1 equals 7 raised to the x plus 1. Can I get like bases? No, 3 and 7 don't go to like base, do they? So, what is the other way we know to get an x out of the exponent? Logs. So, let's use natural log. Will that bother y'all? It's the same thing. Okay. So, let's use natural log. So, we have the natural log of 3 to the 2x minus 1.
No, I don't want to do that way.
Well, we need to know that it works both ways. Alright, so now that we logged it, we can take our exponent and bring it down in front. Now just be careful because that 2x minus 1 is together in the exponent, right? So when I bring it down, I have to show that it's together. So I'm going to put the 2x minus 1 in parentheses times the natural log of 3 equals, then on the other side I'm going to put the x plus 1 in front of its log, but because it's together in the exponent, I'm going to put it in parentheses together.
Can you repeat what you just said?
Yeah, because what's in the exponent now is not just an x, it's more than one thing. So to symbolize that it was all up in the exponent, when I bring it down, I have to put it in parentheses. All right, because if I don't, that x plus 1 times the natural log of 7, if I don't do it, it's going to look like this. And you don't realize that the x is multiplied by it, okay? So you have to put the exponent in the parentheses when it's more than one thing there. All right, so what can we do now if we're going to solve for x? You can. So let's go ahead and divide by the natural log then of 3. And so we get 2x minus 1 on the left side equals, what are we going to do on the right side? Can I go ahead and divide my logarithms? Yeah, I can. Okay, it's going to cause a rounding error at the end, but it's okay. So we're going to have our x plus 1 times, what's the natural log of 7 divided by the natural log of 3? Okay, so this gave us 1.771. Now what can I do? Can't divide. Yeah, let's distribute that 1.771, okay? Because it's still being multiplied over here. So it's a little odd because it's at the end instead of in front like you're used to seeing it. If you need to, you can switch it around. So I got my 2x minus 1 equals 1.771x plus 1.771. And then let's just solve for x. So I'm going to add the 1. So 2x equals 1.771x plus 2.771. And then subtract the 1.771x. I'm going to need some help here. So what does that give me?
I don't even know what that says.
It says 2 minus 1.771. Both of them have an x. Point what? 0.229x equals 2.771. So we're going to divide by the 0.229. And we get x equals. All right, so we ended up with x equals 12.10. And it came out to only 2 decimal places, right? Oh, 1004. So just so we signify we did round to 3, but it would be fine otherwise. All right, so there's our solution.